Blackhawk Quick Disconnect system allows you to move any Blackhawk injection molded holster from one platform to another rapidly and with no tools. Designed at the request of the German Army, who wanted to carry their military holster on the MOLLE vest in the vehicle and down on the leg when on dismounted patrol, the Quick Disconnect system consists of two female adapters for any of the Blackhawk injection molded holster platforms and one male adapter that fits any Blackhawk injection molded holster. Shown here in contrasting colors for easy visibility, the system works like this. Mount the Blackhawk female adapter to any injection molded holster platform, mount the male adapter to any of the Blackhawk injection molded holsters, and one simply fits with the other, rotates, and locks into position. Not having one release switch, but having two to avoid accidental release, simply hit both disconnect switches, rotate the holster, and it unmounts from the platform. The female adapter fits on any of the Blackhawk injection molded holster platforms, such as the tactical leg platform, the MOLLE vest platform, the belt loop, and also the CQC belt loop and paddle. The male adapter fits any of the level 3 injection molded holsters, CQC Serpa injection molded holsters, and the level 2 duty or tactical holsters, along with our new Epic holster and other Blackhawk injection molded holsters. Simply take the holster, mount it to the platform. When you need to change the mount, it's a quick disconnect, a quick connect, everything switching from one mount to another immediately and with no tools. It works so well that it's now part of the Issue Serpa holster system for the United States Army, the United States Marine Corps, and United States SOCOM.